morning, guys. It is July 5th, 2022. This one I got another AC call from a lady. No AC, she had shut it off. You know, I went through the holidays and whatnot. We're ramping back up, going to check on these jobs. So this one here, I just talked to her on the phone. She has not been running it, so that's good. We'll go by there and see if we can figure out what's going on with it. Oh, the damsel in distress, Miss Molly. Oh, yeah, I know, yeah. You love damsels in distress, Miss Molly. Oh, the damsel in distress, Miss Molly. It's definitely 410 micro channel. So you're saying it just don't cool at all, right?
Very little.
Very little.
You can feel it a little bit. Look, when I'm doing the hoses over here, I usually put a thing over here and I collect the water.
Yeah.
And that's when I noticed that it was getting like frosted right over here.
Yeah, it's getting icy. Yeah, it's
right,
low on
so
gas.
That's how I noticed that.
At least there's something in there. Alright, we're ready here. Hi. I was telling your husband, this is a micro channel. See this coil?
Yeah.
They were known to leak. Bad design.
Yeah.
You've put Freon in it before, right?
Yeah, not much though.
Well, this doesn't take much because it's a micro channel.
It was 2 years ago.
Well, that ain't bad.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's start it up and we'll see. It might not be that much. 410. This is going to be above 100. That's why it's icing. It's too cold. Oh, I see a suction here at 41.
Yep.
Gotta be above 100, so I gotta add some. But I'm gonna show you why it ices. See, 41. In the meantime, I'll start putting some in it. Put a little bit in it. 44 is -4 degrees. See it?
Yep.
-4. It's a PT chart, so that's why it freezes. Can't give it too much because it'll ice. Put a regulator in there. Already at almost 80, so it's going in. Doesn't take much, this stuff, because it's a micro channel. Yep. It don't take a lot of refrigerant. Because this is like a flat tube right here. It's got like 6. See how flat that is?
Yep.
It's got like 6 holes that run in there, so it doesn't hold a lot of refrigerant.
Right.
But it's kind of a bad design.
Yeah. Don't take much.
It don't take a lot to put in there, but it's somebody's dumb idea. Try to reinvent the wheel here, right?
Right.
So you said the charge lasts a couple of years last time.
Yeah, I guess the guy said seal it or whatever.
Alright, see we're at 110 here or so. We're above 100. Now subcooling's around 11. We're gonna let that ride, and we're gonna see this should start coming down a little bit now. Give it a minute. You can feel it's getting warm here. I'm gonna show you what to look for when I'm done here. Alright, see we're at 120. And then our superheat's about 20, 24 or so. That's good. And our subcooling is 17. It's not bad. You gotta go by superheat on this setup. So that's good right there. Now if you want to see this, this is gonna be coming out warm after you run it for a while. And the suction line's gonna be cold. It's gonna be wet. Wet and cold, but it's not going to be icy. Put your hand on top of that. Feel that.
Yeah.
Feel the heat? That's the heat from the house.
Right.
But if you want to feel the suction line where it goes into the unit, where it not the covering, the brass part where it goes into the unit.
Yeah.
The brass part where right
Put
there.
down here?
Yeah. Feel how that's cold and sweaty?
Yeah.
That's what you want to see.
Yeah.
It's cold because it's refrigerant cooled.
Cool. Right.
But now you're seeing the suction pressure at 42. What happens when you lose the gas when the compressor runs, the suction pressure goes low, it gets really cold, that's why it ices. So right now we're at 120, so we're probably like 40 degrees, it won't ice now.
Right.
But if you lose your charge, this will start dropping, the colder, the lower the suction, the colder it gets. So you said it lasted a couple of years last time, right? They don't want to go see, so superheat's at 20, which is good. All them numbers look good to me right there. We're gonna leave it right there. So you know what to look for. If you find it's icing, or it's not blowing a lot of hot air out, it's time for another douche. You know?